everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have exciting news. So I signed up for a Bellami class, and for those that don't know, so Bellami is a brand of hair extensions, and they do education, and they have very high-end products and services that they offer. So I am going to become a Bellami professional, and I'll be offering hair extensions pretty soon by Bellamy. So, in case anybody in the future might be interested in having extensions done, you guys can go ahead and contact me. But for the time being, I just wanted to share this unboxing of the kit that it comes with the class. So, here you already saw me opening up the doll that we get to practice on. And then this right here is the suitcase that comes with, or the kit that comes with everything that we're going to be using for the class, and later on that I will be using for doing services as well. And I actually love the quality of the kit. It is very good quality, as you can will see in the video later on. But I was just opening up everything, inspecting everything, making sure everything was fine. There are some instructions and like a list of items that it comes with. And then there was also a tripod. Now I already had a tripod and a mannequin head doll, so it was a little sad that I couldn't opt out from getting those. Now I have two of each. But I really liked the quality of this tripod. So if I do have to get rid of one, I'll probably get rid of the one that I already had. And that one I have already is like really heavy and bulky. It's really good quality, but it's just too heavy to be carrying around. But I really liked the one by Bellamy, and I am in love with this one in particular. So I'm putting everything back. The class will not be until later on this month, August 24th to 25th, 2025. So I'm really excited. I'll actually be traveling out of town. I'll be going to San Francisco for the class, and I am counting the days because I am so excited to do this. And yeah, like I feel like I had been stagnant and in a rut, so I was just like going nowhere in my like hairstylist career. Like I hadn't really decided what was gonna be the next step, and then I finally made up my mind and said, okay, well, first things first, let's get certified with hair extensions. I think once I am done with this right here, even though I am familiar with curly haircuts and curly styles, since I myself have curly hair, I just feel like getting a more professional point of like I like I style for haircutting would be ideal. So I am actually already looking into also getting some sort of certification for like education, further education for curly hair cutting and styling. So I will be looking into that after this, hopefully sometime soon, and I can just kind of keep you guys updated as well and on that progress. But for the time being, we're just gonna stay focused on learning everything we need to learn about hair extensions, and then just looking fabulous with inches and inches and inches of length. And like I said, I really love the quality of the kit. I was afraid that, you know, like you paid so much money, and like the clasp that it comes with, all of that is metal. It is really nice quality, and I was surprised by the casters on or the wheels of the kit. They were so easy to put on, as you'll see later on in the video, but I'm right now just checking all the little compartments, that's the strap to carry it, and I think everything else was empty. There was nothing else. That's the one I couldn't open, but it was just because it was stuck at the bottom. Um, but yeah, like I didn't even open up all the little other things that it comes with at the top, just because I knew I was probably gonna lose something before the class or misplace something. So I'm like, you know what? Let me leave that untouched because I do not want to have to be like in class and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh no, I forgot to like put this back into the kit, and I just didn't want that to happen, so I didn't open it up. So I'm putting everything back inside. I will be putting the wheels on right now just because like I just want to be rolling it around and not have to worry about carrying anything. And the wheels like were such like they're really good quality, and they were so easy to put on. They're just kind of like clamp on, and I think they're actually really easy to take off as well, because I think you just have to press on both sides and they'll come off in case you're going somewhere where like the wheels are like getting in the way. That wheel gave me a little bit of difficulty, but that's just because it was a weird angle and I couldn't see exactly where I was inserting it into. Okay, well, we're nearing the end of the video. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking. Um, yeah, like it'll help out a lot, and stay tuned. I will keep making more videos like this on my journey to become a Bellami hairstylist. So yeah, I'm really excited and hope you guys can tune in for the rest of the upcoming videos. Okay, until next time, you guys take care.